Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by opening Voov and signing in. Make sure you use your teacher account so you control settings. Next, create a new meeting and set time and permissions, then copy the invite link and share it with students. Once done, enable your camera and microphone, choose the screen or specific window to share, and confirm audio playback is allowed. This gets you live quickly and keeps student access consistent so you can start teaching without delay. You now manage participants to keep class focused, admit students from the lobby and mute everyone on entry if you expect noise. While teaching, create breakout rooms for group work and assign students or auto-distribute, then set a clear timer so groups stay on task. Use Voov's whiteboard and file share to display slides and annotate, and launch quick polls to check understanding. Make sure you alternate who speaks, so engagement stays steady and you finish class by summarizing learning goals, and if needed, saving the recording to cloud or local storage so absent students can catch up. Before you leave, end the meeting or transfer ownership to a co-host so the session can continue without interruption. If audio or video fails, try quick fixes. Ask participants to mute/unmute, restart your camera, or rejoin the meeting. Alternatively, reboot the device as a last resort. This ensures closure and gives one troubleshooting tip to avoid lost time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.